Hi, this better be good, you guys calling me here. This better be good that you're interrupting my work day. Let's hear it. Why are you guys calling me here?
Yes, we need to discuss a safety issue.
A safety issue?
With your son, yes.
There's a safety issue with a 5-year-old?
Just so we know what's going on. Just a few friends,
Let me explain something to you.
Absolutely.
I'm his dad. I bring him to school. You do your job, and then I take him home. You are supposed to make sure that he has a smooth transition to kindergarten. That's your job. Make it happen. Why are you calling? You do not need to be bringing me here just to tell me he is doing.
It's a little after 4 in the afternoon. We just got done with a full day of training, very dynamic, realistic scenarios with the Head Start program here in Indiana County, Indiana, Pennsylvania. I'm with the executive director, Jessica. Jessica, what do you think?
Oh, it was a great day. The staff really enjoyed it. They felt like all the scenarios were spot on, things that they've heard, things that they've been through. And for the new staff, it was a great experience for them to go through something with veteran staff that they've never went through before.
Now, you went through this training last year.
Yes.
Was that part of the reason why you had us come back, or was today with the rest of the staff always kind of in the back of your mind to do?
We've been looking for things for de-escalation for a long,
Okay.
long time. And then when we went through the training in October, I was like, oh yeah, this is going to work. This is what we've been looking for. This is what we need. So it was a natural choice.
Good. And so you're happy that we came back and did this. Everyone seemed to
Yes.
be engaged with it.
They were. You know, typically in-service teachers they bring their work, they're working on other things.
Right.
They were glued to you and your staff. So.
Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm just glad they came back from the break.
Yes,
Okay.
indeed.
Right? Okay. So thank you so much for having us come down and tell your group. They were very impressive. They clearly have had experience in dealing with some of the situations and scenarios that we threw at them, and it was an outstanding group. So thank you for having us come back again and work with you all.
We appreciate it. We were very happy to have you.
Thank you.